What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we're going to be highlighting the Paradigm P3 in-wall speaker system. And if you would like to purchase this product, reach out and show your support, as well as a very extensive preferred installer network. Speaking of that, we're bringing Jose with Wire Ninjas onto the YouTube channel, and he's going to point out the key specifications and why this product is utilized in certain scenarios. All right, let's do it. Jose, Wire Ninjas here. We're gonna go over this speaker real quick. This is a speaker from Paradigm. It's a CI PRO P3 speaker. It features 4 woofer cones as well as 1 pure aluminum tweeter cooled by a ferrofluid. Now, this is a proper LCR speaker, which makes it an excellent choice for your front array in your home theater situation, as well as this speaker in particular has a back box, built-in back box, which provides a really nice sound, that equal to a tower speaker. You're not going to lose any sound in the wall. It's all going to come out of the speaker into the room where you want it. All right, guys, well, that was a quick overview of the Paradigm P3. Now, we sell the full lineup of everything the Paradigm has to offer, and we'll be happy to find a solution that fits your exact needs and budget. These are really nice for a front soundstage, guys. If you're wanting something that is going to be clean, look really nice, but perform like a floor standing speaker, this is the choice. So we have you covered. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.